What's up, everyone? I'm here at the Diamond Auto Salon here with Jim Caviezel and 650 Eve. We just got the chance to work on Jim's beautiful Ducati Superleggera and 650. We got the pleasure to meet here. They're going on a quick run, but we got both the bikes fully protected. Actually, Jim's only, but maybe one day yours when you're down there. It's been a pleasure. I hope you guys enjoyed the two bikes.
You did a phenomenal job. No one would ever know that. I mean, I'm looking for lines on this, and it's just magnificent. It looks like it's just
Amazing.
right off the dealership floor, you know.